Hello, hello! Hello, Sis Cassie! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sana malasing mo kami. Hi sis! Happy birthday! Good health always! More birthdays to come in your life! Enjoy your day, Sis Cassie! Again, happy birthday! Hello, kasi Lakinyas or Ma'am Elena, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you at nagkakilala tayo sa Whitey World. Nang dahil sa ating napaka-supportive na It's a Thai family, sa ating founder na si Sir Color Mix, at sa ating admin na si Sis Belsky TV Vlog, at sa lahat-lahat ng mga members. Thank you na nakilala ko si Ma'am kasi Lakinyas dito sa Whitey World, at pa-support na rin sa kanyang YouTube channel. Happy birthday ulit. Ang wish ko, always good health, always happy, and more viewers to come and subscriber to come. Enjoy your happy day. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
Hello sis Cassie. Happy birthday. Speechless ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko kasi bago pa lang tayo nagkakilala. Pero wish ko sa'yo na all your dreams will come true. At saka good health sa'yo at sa iyong family. Happy birthday ulit.
Lahat. It's a Thai family. Magandang hapon. Sis Elena, happy birthday. More blessings to come and God bless always, and more candles to blow. Happy birthday.
Sis Cassie, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. Stay healthy. God bless and enjoy your day. And more blessings to you and more birthdays to come to celebrate. Salamat sa support.
Hi Cassie! Happy birthday! Salamat at napunta ka sa ating group. Sana hindi ka naman nagsisi. Alam mo naman ang group natin ay nakasuporta lahat sa inyo. And of course, salamat sa pakikiisa sa roles natin at sa mechanics. At andito lahat ng ka-member, kasamahan mo sa group na magsusupport sa'yo till the end. Okay? Mag-ingat ka sa iyong pang-araw-araw na gawain, and God bless you always.
Mega love shout out and happy birthday kay Sis Elena. Sis, happy birthday. Wish ko sana good health and wealth at more subscribers. Yon. At salamat nga pala sa pabuyo mo sa WH ko. Salamat. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.